Hello students, today's video is about sense organs and sensory receptors. Sense organs are commonly called as windows of the world through which we can recognize what is happening around us. There are 5 sense organs in our body, as you know: eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. Each sense organ consists of specified tissue or cell that are sensitive to a specific external stimulus such as light, temperature, sound, etc. We call them as receptors. Why we are naming them as receptors? Since they are receiving the stimulus from external environment. And these receptors are attached to the sense organs. Hence they are called as sensory receptors. They take the stimulus from the sense organs to the central nervous system, that is brain and spinal cord, in the form of electrical impulses through neurons or nerve cell. So, our body is made up of extensive network of nervous system composed of neurons. Let us see various types of sensory receptors present in each sense organ. Now I am going to explain you different types of sensory receptors in humans. Sense organ, as I said you, eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. Eye is composed of the photoreceptors and get the stimulus called light. Ear is composed of phonoreceptor and the stimulus is sound. Nose is made up of olfactory receptor and the stimulus is smell. Tongue is made up of gustatory receptor and the stimulus is taste. Skin is made up of 2 types of receptors, thigmoreceptor and thermoreceptor. Thigmoreceptor is responsible for touch and pain and thermoreceptors are responsible for heat and cold. Now coming to the common pathway of nervous system. The sense organs are affected by this external stimulus, hence they are called as affector. So the sense organ affector are affected by the external stimulus. It may be sound, light, etc. And it is taken to the sensory receptors, that is the phono, photo, anything. And the sensory receptors can pass the electrical impulses to the sensory neurons, and the sensory neurons goes to the brain and the spinal cord with the help of the relay and associated or interneurons, and from the spinal cord or the brain it goes to the motor neurons, and motor neurons to the effector, who is going to do the particular function which the order is given by the brain and spinal cord. So that organ is said to be the effector. So it goes to the effector, that is the target organ, or it may be the muscle or gland. For example, the ear is getting the external stimulus called as sound with the help of these phonoreceptors, and the information is conveyed to the sensory neurons and to the brain and spinal cord with the help of relay neurons, and the order is given by the brain and spinal cord, and it is taken through these motor neurons and it goes to the target organ called head. So because of this sound, who is calling or what is the sound, you are turning your head towards the sound. So this order is given by the brain, which is conveyed through this motor neurons. You studied in the last video itself the sensory neurons which are attached to the sense organs, and the motor neurons are attached with the brain and spinal cord, and in between sensory neurons and the motor neurons the message is conveyed through these relay neurons. Now I am giving you one more example. Instead of ear, you can take the sense organ as tongue. So the tongue, after doing physical exercise, you feel so thirsty because the tongue becomes dry. So the information is taken by the sensory receptors called as gustatory receptor, and it goes to the sensory neurons. And from the sensory neurons, it is conveyed to the brain and spinal cord with the help of relay neurons. And the brain and spinal cord is giving the order to the effector, and it is taken through this motor neurons. Now which will be the effector? The effector may be your hand to pick up the water and drink. So in this manner you can frame so many examples. So in that manner only in our body the common pathway of nervous system is taking place. Hope you understood the video very clearly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. We'll meet you soon in the next video.